regaining account access, security questions, and changed phone number.
Hello there. Today we're tackling a common issue many people encounter: what to do if you've forgotten your account security question answers, or if your associated phone number has changed. These situations can create frustrating roadblocks when you're trying to access your account, but don't worry, we've got some strategies to help you out.
Forgotten security questions.
If you're struggling to remember your security question answers, the first thing to do is keep calm. Panicking might actually make it harder for you to remember the correct answers. Try a few different potential answers. Sometimes, you might just be slightly off in your phrasing or spelling. If you still can't recall your answers, your next step will depend on the specific service or site you're dealing with. Some platforms offer alternative ways to verify your identity, such as by sending a verification code to your email address or another phone number linked to the account. Be sure to check if such options are available.
Changed phone number.
What if your phone number has changed since you last updated your account details? This can complicate things a bit, but it's still possible to regain access to your account. Start by checking if you have an alternative recovery method set up, such as a secondary email address. A recovery code could be sent there, allowing you to update your phone number. If no such alternative exists, contacting the platform support should be your next step. Be prepared to provide as much information as possible to prove your identity, such as old passwords, details about when the account was created, and any billing information that might be linked to the account.
Prevention is better than cure.
Lastly, let's talk about prevention. To avoid getting locked out of your account in the future, make sure you update your account details promptly when things like your phone number change. It's also a good idea to choose security questions and answers that you're unlikely to forget, and to keep a secure record of them somewhere safe. Getting locked out of your account due to forgotten security questions or a changed phone number can be frustrating. However, remember that there are always ways to regain access, whether through alternative verification methods or by reaching out to support. And going forward, keeping your account details up to date is the best way to prevent similar issues. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through this process. Thanks for watching.